Ready to put your money to work for the long haul? But what does that even mean in the wild world of crypto? HODL, or hold on for dear life, is a term that's become a mantra for a reason. It's about patience, conviction, and riding out the volatility that defines this market. But when you're in it for the long term, where you keep your crypto is just as important as what you're holding. So, is Gemini, a major, regulated, and well-known exchange, a good fit for a long-term HODLing strategy? This isn't about day trading or chasing the next 100x memecoin. This is about building a secure, stable, and potentially lucrative foundation for your future. We're going to dive deep into Gemini's features, from its security to its fees, and see if it stands up to the needs of a serious hodler. Let's start with what truly matters to a long-term investor: security. In the crypto space, security is not just a buzzword, it's the bedrock of your entire investment. We've all heard the horror stories of exchanges being hacked or going bust. For a hodler, this is a nightmare. Gemini has made security its top priority from day one. It's a regulated company, which means it has to play by the rules and meet strict financial standards. This isn't your average, fly-by-night crypto startup. Gemini's founders, the Winklevoss twins, built the platform precisely because they struggled to find a secure and trusted place to manage their own crypto portfolios. They've put a lot of work into building a robust security infrastructure. We're talking about things like SOC 1 and SOC 2 certifications, which are independent audits that verify their security controls. They also have an ISO 27001 certification, which is an international standard for information security management. All of this might sound like technical jargon, but it basically means they've gone through a lot of hoops to prove they're serious about protecting your assets. But what does this mean for you, the hodler? It means they use both hot and cold storage. Hot storage is for the crypto that needs to be readily available for trading, but most of their customer assets are held in a proprietary cold storage system. This is a fancy way of saying they keep the majority of your crypto offline and secure vaults away from potential online threats. This is a critical feature for anyone planning on holding for years. Beyond the institutional level security, Gemini also gives you tools to protect your own account. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is a requirement, not an option. They also support hardware security keys, which is an extra layer of protection that's highly recommended for anyone with a significant amount of crypto. They also have an address book feature that lets you lock withdrawals to only pre-approved addresses. This prevents a hacker from draining your account even if they manage to get past your login. Now, let's talk about the cost of HODLing. While you're not trading every day, fees still matter. Gemini's fee structure can be a bit complex, but for a hodler, the most important thing is to understand the different platforms they offer. The standard web and mobile app have higher, fixed fees. However, if you use their active trader platform, the fees are significantly lower, following a maker-taker model. For a long-term investor, it's worth taking the time to understand active trader and use it for your initial purchases to minimize costs. Another thing to consider is the possibility of earning a return on your assets while you HODL. Gemini offers staking services for certain cryptocurrencies like Ether, Solana, and Polygon. Staking is a way to earn passive income by participating in the network's validation process. Gemini simplifies this process for you, taking care of the technical details. However, it's important to note that they do take a cut of the rewards, which is typically a 15% fee. There are also lockup periods and market volatility to consider, but for a true hodler who wasn't planning on touching their assets anyway, this could be a great way to generate some extra yield. So, how does Gemini compare to other options? For a hodler, the main alternative is a personal hardware wallet. This is often considered the gold standard for long-term storage because you have complete control over your private keys. However, it also comes with a lot of responsibility. You are the sole custodian of your crypto. If you lose your seed phrase, you lose your crypto forever. There's no customer support to call. This is where Gemini offers a compelling balance. They provide institutional-grade security and insurance, which is something you can't get with a personal wallet. At the same time, they offer a user-friendly platform that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. You can buy and sell on the same platform where you're storing your assets, which is a convenience you don't get with a hardware wallet. For many long-term investors, especially those who are new to crypto, Gemini provides a level of comfort and trust that is well worth the trade-off. The platform also has a good range of established cryptocurrencies to choose from. While it may not have the endless list of obscure tokens that some other exchanges do, it has all the major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a host of other well-vetted coins. For a hodler, this is actually a good thing. A long-term strategy is about conviction in established projects, not chasing risky and proven ones. Gemini also offers educational resources through their Cryptopedia, which can be a valuable tool for anyone looking to deepen their understanding of the market. This isn't just a place to buy and sell, it's a platform that wants to empower its users with knowledge. This aligns perfectly with the mindset of a long-term investor who is looking to be informed and deliberate about their choices. In conclusion, for the long-term hodler, Gemini presents a very strong case. Its emphasis on security, regulation, and insurance provides a level of peace of mind that is hard to find elsewhere. While the fees can be higher on the standard platform, the active trader option and the ability to stake assets help to mitigate those costs and even generate a passive return. The trade-off between a personal hardware wallet and a regulated exchange like Gemini is a personal one, but for those who value the security, convenience, and peace of mind that a trusted third party can provide, Gemini is an excellent choice. It's a platform built for those who believe in the future of crypto and want to ensure their assets are safe for the long journey ahead. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.